what happens when your employer says, yeah, I'll help you buy a home? There are certain requirements that have to be met for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA. They can't just say, oh, you're getting ready to go buy a home, we'll give you a bonus. No, employer grants or seconds, sometimes they actually offer you a form of a second, must be documented appropriately, must meet the standards of the particular loan type that you're applying for. So please, when your employer says, I'm so happy you're finally buying a home, here's some extra money. Don't we all wish we had that kind of a boss, right? When your employer says that, tell them, pump the brakes, hold the money. I have to make sure I document it correctly. I got to call Amy for guidance. Questions, concerns? Let's get those employer-related funds into your home loan transaction. I'm Amy Valdivia.